20 healthy ways to make your husband respect you. Every wife deserves to be treated with respect by their husband. Respect is an important quality in a marriage that is a good foundation for the couple's relationship. However, do you feel like your husband is not respecting you enough? Are you hoping that he will learn to treat you like a lady? What if your husband feels the same way towards you? Maybe he also feels disrespected. That is why he is struggling to respect you as well. If you want your husband to respect you more, maybe you should try assessing how you treat him. Do you respect him enough? Are you treating him as a wife should treat her husband? As they say, respect begets respect. So, to make your husband respect you, why not improve how you show him respect first? Check out these steps on how you can make your husband respect you. 1. Do not interrupt him when talking. One way to show respect to your husband is by allowing him to talk without being cut off. Just like how you would feel irritated whenever someone interrupts you while talking, your hubby feels the same way too. Therefore, let him finish what he is saying first before you respond. 2. Pay attention whenever he talks to you. Aside from not interacting with him while talking, your husband will feel respected if you give him your full attention whenever you talk. So, keep your phone, turn off the television, or turn your back on the computer while you are in a conversation. 3. Avoid aggressively criticizing him. Your husband is only human, so he is surely flawed. However, instead of criticizing him straight to his face whenever you are disappointed with him, talk to him level-headedly. Point out his mistakes without insulting him. Open up about your concern in a calm manner, letting him know the effects of his wrong moves, and try suggesting how he can improve his ways. 4. Do not compare him to others. It is not only disrespectful, but also offensive to be compared to others. Therefore, avoid comparing your husband to other men. You have to accept that he is different from them, and he has his own strengths. 5. Talk positively about him in front of your kids. As a parent, it is your responsibility to train your children to be upright individuals. One of the traits that you need to instill in them is being respectful to others, especially their parents. So, no matter how imperfect their father is, teach them to respect him. You can start doing this by praising him in front of the kids. 6. Praise him in front of other people. Another sign that you respect your husband is by boosting his morale around other people. Do not embarrass him in front of others by revealing his bad traits. Instead, appreciate him before them. 7. Do not shout at him. You feel disrespected whenever he shouts at you, right? Well, he feels the same too. For this reason, avoid yelling at him no matter how angry you are at him, especially if there are people around. 8. Avoid nagging him. Wives are generalized to be naggers. Although this is not true for every wife, many husbands complain of having nagging partners. If you want your husband to respect you, stop being a nagger first. 9. Do not fight with him in front of the kids. Misunderstandings are normal between husbands and wives. However, it is not healthy to fight in front of your children. Aside from its negative impact on your kids, it will be harder for you and your husband to respect each other because of guilt. 10. Stop badmouthing him to your friends. Your husband is your other half, meaning if you keep badmouthing him to other people, it is like dissing yourself too. Moreover, once your husband finds out about it, he will surely be disappointed, and getting his respect will be impossible. 11. Handle his things with care. If you want your husband to value your stuff, you need to treat things the same way. Be careful not to ruin, break, misplace, or stain any of his items. 12. Give him space in the house. Just like how you need to have your personal space at home, your husband wants that too. So, allow him to set up his workshop or office in the house. He will surely be grateful to you. 13. Let him make the final decisions. Biblically, husbands are set to be the heads of their families, meaning they should be the leaders. It does not mean that you are an inferior part of the family, though, on the contrary, you are actually equal but only with different roles, and his includes sealing the decisions made in the family. 14. Do not contradict him in front of others, especially your children. Aside from not fighting with your husband in front of the kids and other people, it is also important that you appear solid before them. Never disagree with him in front of others. Contradicting him when other people are around will embarrass him. He may also lose the respect of others. 15. Fulfill his needs in bed. As a wife, it is your responsibility to fulfill the sexual needs of your husband and vice versa. Therefore, do not turn him down whenever he initiates physical intimacy unless, of course, there's a legit reason like you are sick. 16. Take care of yourself. No matter how busy you are taking care of your family, never take yourself for granted. Instead, pamper yourself like you would if you were still single. Keeping yourself beautiful despite being a busy mom and wife will help keep the respect of your husband. It is because you can show him how strong and empowered you are. 17. Respect his parents and siblings. Your husband will surely respect you if he sees how you value his family. Your in-laws may not be perfect, but they are important to your partner. So, for that reason alone, you should also treat them well. 18. Listen to his advice. Your husband will feel respected if you seek his advice whenever you have a problem. What is more, he will feel good about himself if he finds out that his advice helps you. As a result, he would want to return the favor by listening to you next time. 19. Consult him before making plans. If you want your husband to consider you before making personal decisions, you should also include him in yours. Open up to him about your plans before finalizing your decisions. He will be encouraged to do the same. 20. Encourage him to lead the family spiritually. As mentioned above, your husband is meant to be the head of the family. To help him step up to the role of being a spiritual leader, encourage him to lead you and the kids in prayers and Bible sharing. Knowing that you are supportive of him will make your husband grateful to you. Initiate respect. Do not let your pride convince you that your husband needs to respect you first before you can respect him. In any relationship, the humbler person is the one who loves more. Initiating love and respect will not diminish your value as a woman. Instead, it reveals how strong you are as a person. If your husband sees your effort to be a better wife, he will surely be motivated to be a better husband to you. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.